As we near the holidays, we're flooded with Christmas decorations and with nostalgia. Mine came in the form of racing my brothers up and down the stairs on Christmas morning. As an adult, nothing's changed, so that's why I've turned my staircase into a good old-fashioned time trials heaven for me and my roommates. Alrighty, so this Microsoft Paint level drawing is the layout of the 3 stories of the townhome that I live in. Ideally, I want to come in the garage, and then I want to be able to race up the stairs up to my bedroom and see what the best time is. Now, ideally, we'll have some sort of motion sensor top and bottom, one to start and one to stop. The one up top will also have some sort of display, which will show you your time and then the best time. Now, you could just run a cable all the way down the staircase to the motion sensor and send the data back up to the stopwatch, but that's poor engineering, so I'll set up some sort of radio transmitter and receiver so that the two can talk without actually being connected. But overall, I think we can just build this and test it out. This jumble of wires on the left is the stopwatch, which, if we wanted to, we could start, stop, and reset with buttons. It has a tracker for the best time, but that's not practical. We need a separate remote. And with these 2 remotes, we can use the 2 sensors that we have so that when we are ready to race, we can ready up, run past the one, and run past the other, and now we have the race complete, time to beat. Whenever you're moving your design from a breadboard to its final destination on a proto board, I highly recommend a software like Fritzing. This allows you to not only move around your components, but also your wires. Components allow you to figure out what you want the final look to be so that it's nice and organized, and also the wiring so that you can minimize wire overlap, because the less you overlap the wires, the easier it'll be to solder the final thing. With these both moved over to a proto board and with the cases made, I think it's time for a good old product montage. So here I have the whiteboard set up for the best times for each person. I have myself, my roommate who came up with the idea for this video, and my girlfriend. Now unfortunately, both these times have beaten mine, so I think it's time to take off the socks, free the dogs, and beat both of these. With everything set up, I think it's time to run some trials. First place, baby. Running up and down these stairs in this sweatshirt. It's stylish, but I'm hot. We beat him, but I think we need to beat the 8-second mark. Cap, you stop. What are you doing? I saw 7 on it. Maybe my time. With no socks, I can really feel the grip because every time I do this, it burns the soles of my feet. Put another one. Get it again. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a world record. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how you flex on your friends as an adult. First place. As this project comes to a close, For version 2, I'd like to think that it'd be nice to have 2 of these. Instead of having a start and a stop, it'd be nice to have 2 of these where you could go up and down the stairs for time instead of just up the stairs. If you want to make this for yourself or for your kids for the holidays, feel free to look at the GitHub in the link in the description, and it will have all of the schematics and the files so that you can create one for yourself. That's all. Happy holidays, and consider subscribing.